Alright guys, so we have a Ferrari 488 Spider here that came here with a blown turbo on the driver's side. Here you can see the actual wheel that came out, the exhaust. So we're going to be installing the Pure Stage 2 turbos on it. They just came in here today. I'm gonna lay them out on the table right here. This car is also going to be getting a custom tune and calibration from Westune. So we'll show you some videos of that at the end. It's going to be some flames and stuff. So yeah.
So guys, first of all, we did think we blew the turbos because of the tune, obviously, and it's a very known thing in the 488s, but we just found out we had a boost leak right after we put the Pure 900 turbos. So we're gonna open the cooler real quick on the left side and check the blow-off valve as well as the cooler itself. We couldn't see any holes or anything in the silicone piping, but we're gonna open it real quick and then find out if everything is good, double check it, and then the tune is done for this car. We'll send it in a minute.